I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add funds to your PayPal app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the PayPal app. Launch the PayPal app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once you're in the app, tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage your funds. Step 3. Add funds. In the wallet section, look for the option that says Add funds. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your funding source. Select the bank account or card from which you want to transfer money. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do that first. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Enter the amount you wish to add, review the details, and then confirm the transaction. Keep an eye out for any fees that might apply. If you accidentally try to add funds from a card that has insufficient balance, the transaction will fail, so double check your card details. I hope this helped you add funds to your PayPal app easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.